And here we are milling a part out of aluminium. This particular piece of aluminium was cast by a friend of mine, Colin. He told me how to make the patterns from wood, which I made and painted, and he made the moulds and melted the aluminium in the furnace he made himself and cast them for me. And there is the part plane to thickness. Now we're milling around the profile of the part. Right, we're nearly there. The more observant of you will notice that I'm milling these holes in the down cut or climb milling mode. I also use the same mode when doing the profile. Supposed to fit on there. Yes. Beautiful. And there's the one fitted. Just another 3 to make. There, and there. And that will be the new Z-axis rail, which will fit inside there. And that will be fitted inside there with the new linear bearings on. And I think that will be much sturdier than the 12mm rails unsupported that I've got. So I'm looking forward to getting the rest of them made and that fitted. And that turned out quite nice. Pleased with that. Cheers. See you later.